Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have this box of stuff. So what is this box of stuff? It's actually the Skintific Cover All Perfect Cushion. I have all 7 shades of it just to try it on. I'm gonna show you guys the before and the after of this product. So obviously I have no makeup on. You can see there's some scars, some acne scars, and some little pores, little stuff. Let's see if it can cover all. So it says that Cover All Perfect Cushion delivers the seamless blend of healthy skin and perfect coverage while being weightless, buildable texture, and effortless complexions. Let's see if it actually is going to be that cover all. So I'm going to be wearing this cushion until tonight. I have a few errands to run today, and I'm gonna come back and see if it's really going to be that lasting and show it to you guys. I think it's also quite worth to mention that it is a SPF 35. That's pretty good for a cushion. And 7 shades is pretty fast for cushion, because cushion usually you only have 2 or 3 colors. So without further ado, let's open them up. So I'm going to open up the 01 and 02 first. I feel like these 2 colors is gonna be my color probably. Let's open. Ta-da! Oh, it looks very nice actually. Nice packaging. There's like a chrome reflective finish. Let's open. Ooh. Yes! There's a nice little cushion puff as well. Packaging is like really important for me. Not sure about you, but I'm like the packaging kind of girl. Let's see the color. Woo! Okay. Let me just dab it on my hands to check out the color. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think this one is actually my color. Let me try 02. All the shades have the same packaging, just different coats on the back. Satisfying part is to remove the film. Yes. Okay, no, 01 is for me because 02 is kind of dark for me. Nah, 02 is just kind of dark for me. It's kind of orangey, but for those of you who actually have like skin tone a little darker than me and a little bit more pink and orangey, 02 is for you. Let me open up and just swap the shades on my hands just to show you how it looks like with all the other colors. And did I mention it actually smells really good? Usually I would put a base over my face or a primer, but I really want to try out how it works for my skin. Let's see. Okay, let's try out the pimple part. Ooh. This is a very, very high coverage foundation. I'm gonna try to cover that. Let's see. Ooh, guys, look. This high coverage is no joke. Quite impressed actually. It's high coverage, but it's buildable. I'm gonna put on my whole face. Guys, do you see that? Basically don't need any additional concealer. Just look at it. I'm gonna put the before and after right now. My pimple scar is gone on my chin and on my forehead. Wow. Not joking, they are Skintific is totally not kidding with the full coverage. I really like how my skin looks like right now. I'm gonna finish up with my eye makeup and I'll see you in a while. I'm done. And I did not put any powder on top. I just want to see how it works. So far, it's been great. I'm gonna update you guys in about 7 to 8 hours just to see how it works. So see you in 8 hours. Hi guys, I'm back. It's been almost 8 hours. What time is it? It's almost 9 p.m. now. So I did one time touch up just now in the toilet, maybe about 5 p.m. So far still very good. If you look at it, if you remember, okay, I'm just gonna put a before picture. So I have like acne scars on my forehead and on my chin. It still looks good. Did a one-time touch up and it's so easy to bring around. This one so cute. Conclusion is I'm really happy with this product. I think you should try it too. You know those small little blemishes, it actually helps a lot. And acne scars, redness, it just covers everything. Like I have some small little wrinkles here if you realize. It's great. So Skintific Cover All Perfect Cushion, yes, it is quite perfect. If you'd like to purchase the item, you can purchase it on the link below or go to Guardian and Watsons to purchase. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you think about this. If you have any questions, feel free, let me know. I will try to reply. See you on the next. Bye bye.